Nathaniel, where'd you grow up and what was your childhood like?
Oh man, I grew up in a small town, rural Idaho, Buell, two stoplights. Good childhood. I was raised by my grandparents. Um, Nothing remarkable, just pretty chill. Played soccer, hung out. That's about it.
I didn't even have a stoplight in my town. I had one stop sign that was in the middle of a three-way intersection and people would run into it all the time.
Yeah, we thought we were a big city when we got the second.
Why did you decide to become a divorce attorney?
Well, that goes back to what I just said about being raised by my grandparents. I was adopted by my grandparents when I was in the 4th grade. Really contentious case, went all the way to trial. And frankly, I owe that good childhood that I had to, the excellent work of a family law attorney. So I understand and appreciate exactly what's at stake in these cases, and I've benefited my entire life from that.
And why did you decide to focus exclusively on family law?
Well, for that, I knew from the time I was in the 4th grade that I wanted to be a lawyer and I wanted to be a family law attorney. And I think that I can't think of another area of the law where there's more of a day-to-day tangible benefit and reward, of making sure that people are seeing their kids, making sure that people are maximizing the time that they have with their kids. We deal on a daily basis with opposing parties who are trying to limit the time that our clients have with their kids, if not take it away completely. And securing that time is amazingly rewarding.
Why did you decide to work at Brown Family Law?
Good question. Marco and I knew each other before I even started practicing law about 8 years ago. And I worked at a couple other places who practice family law a little bit differently than we do. I knew what Brown Family Law was about long before I worked here. And I knew that that was the way that I wanted to practice law. That was the way I wanted to do things. And I found out that there was an opening available, so I went over and talked to Marco, and here I am.
And what's the best part about working here at Brown Family Law?
The team atmosphere, I have to say. I can't kid you that family law is stressful, but we've got an amazing team here who make every day enjoyable going to work. And we serve great clients and do great things for them.
Tell us about your family.
Been married, but don't let my wife know I'm calculating this, but 11 years, just about. Got 2 kids, 2 girls, 3-year-old and 5-year-old. So.
And what do you like to do in your free time?
Free time? No. I'm a pretty avid chess player, play a lot of chess. When I have the time, I like to go backpacking, particularly in the Uintas. There's some lakes that are up there, just out in the middle of nowhere, down in like southern Utah too, Canyonlands area. Just get away from people for a few days, chill out.
What's your favorite food?
Probably a good hamburger. It's hard to beat a good hamburger. I barbecue as a hobby though, so one of those 2 things.
And your favorite place to visit?
I like going back home to Idaho from time to time, but if I was going to go visit anywhere, I'd probably go to one of my backpacking spots up in the Uintas or out in Canyonlands or something.
What's your favorite movie or TV show?
I've seen all 172 episodes of Star Trek The Next Generation multiple times. That's probably my all-time favorite, but TV show, movie, I'd have to say The Big Lebowski.
And Nathaniel, what makes you a good attorney?
Highly detail-oriented. I am over-prepared, and I am never in a position, I think, where I am out-prepared by my opponent. Something I take very, very seriously. If I go to court, I'm going to court to win. And I'm also very good at negotiation. I think I have a very high success rate in mediations, and my clients walk out of mediation feeling like they got a good deal and can move forward with things.